Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about distance between 2 points. Okay, so competency natin dito, solve problems involving distance between 2 points on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so review muna tayo. So this is the x-axis, the horizontal line, the vertical line is the y-axis. So yung plotting of points, tapos na tayo dyan, saka determining the coordinates or the Cartesian coordinate plane. So dito na tayo sa yung topic natin kanina, yung distance between 2 points. Okay? So let's have a problem. Anna's house is located at the point x is negative 2, y is 3. And Ben's house is at x is 3, y is 3. So let's plot their houses on the Cartesian plane. So first is negative 2. Kay Anna's house, negative x is negative 2, y is positive 3. Ayan. Okay? So, yan ang location ng bahay ni Anna. Okay? X is 2, negative 2, y is 3. What about yung bahay ni Ben? So, x is 3, y is 3. Ayan. So, yun ang kanilang intersection. So, ang bahay ni Anna, ay ni Ben, ayan, yung x is 3, y is 3. So, ang question dito, how can we measure how far apart they live? Okay, so, yung horizontal distance, or yung distance formula, as a horizontal distance, so that is d equals the absolute value of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay? So, d equals the absolute value of yung x sub 2 natin dito, yung kay Ben na 3. Okay? Lahat ng mga x dyan, yung x, negative 2 at saka positive 3. So, kay Ben yan, yung x sub 2. Yung x sub 1 ay kay Anna na negative 2. So, follow the formula. So, 3, kopyahan yung minus sign, then value ng x sub 1, which is negative 2. Okay? So, d equals the absolute value of 3, tapos multiply natin yung negative, or change natin yung sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, ang negative magiging positive na yan. Okay? Then, change natin yung sign sa subtrahend, which is negative 2 man yan, so magiging positive. So, that is d equals the absolute value of 5 or equals 5. So, meaning, yung distance nila ay 5 units. Okay? So, Carlo lives directly south of Anna at point C. Ayan. Yung let's determine its coordinate. Ang coordinate niya, so that is x is negative 2, y is negative 1. Ayan. So lang yan ang location ni Carlo. So question natin dito yung distance ni Anna at saka Carlo. Okay? How far apart they are. So, vertical distance, so that is d equals the absolute value of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So, y sub 2 is negative 1. Okay? Then, ang y sub 1 is 3. So, kopyahin natin yung formula. The value of y sub 2 is negative 1. Then, y sub 1 is 3. Okay? Kopyahin yung sign dyan na negative. So, d equals negative 1 Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, magiging plus, tapos yung 3 dyan, magiging negative 3. So, equals, D equals negative 4. So, i-add natin yan. We have to copy the common sign, then add. So, magiging negative 4. Negative 1 plus negative 3, that is negative 4. So, the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. So, therefore, 4 units yung distance nila. Ayan. Okay, so sa exercises, kayo na po magsagot yan. Determine of the following points are aligned horizontally or vertically, then find the distance between them. Okay, so yan lang po yung topic natin at maraming salamat sa panunood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pinutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Mahat Review. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.